In this video, you'll learn how to go ahead and create color formatting for tables that you created in Excel to make them easier on the eyes and easier to understand to the reader. So your first step will be to go ahead and highlight a selection covering the table that you just made. Next, at the very top of the screen, under the Styles grouping, if you click on Format as Table, you'll see multiple options to go ahead and format that table. You'll notice that some of these options, the one you see at the top, just have alternating color patterns. Others have the first row, the title row, having a different color scheme, and then either continuous white lines or alternating color patterns. You can choose whichever one you would prefer, but for ours, we're going to go ahead and go with this option right here. Excel will pop up a little window asking you to be sure that this is the data you want to select. Yes, it is. And if your table has headers, as ours does here, month and expenses, you can go ahead and select that option that says my table has headers. When you click OK, Excel automatically color codes it for you. You have alternating rows here to make it easier for the reader to see what's going on. And then the title rows are color coded differently, once again facilitating the reader's understanding of the data you're presenting.